of Komodo in Indonesia. Remote and barren. Few people live here. It's ruled by a giant reptile. It looks like a survivor from the age of the dinosaurs. The Komodo dragon. Nine feet long, a top predator. Only one thing can challenge a dragon's dominance. Another dragon. In the breeding season, males are drawn into savage conflict. Claws and 60 serrated teeth can inflict terrible damage. The Komodo dragon is the only reptile that still rules the land, as dinosaurs once did. It can dominate here because it has no competition.